In the heart of Mesopotamia, where the Tigris and Euphrates rivers danced, stood Babylon, a city of grandeur and power, under the rule of King Hammurabi. Hammurabi, a conqueror of legendary status, had united various city-states under his reign, bringing prosperity and stability to the region. However, with wealth and power came the need for justice, a need that the ancient world, in its infancy, struggled to address. The year was 1754 BC, and the people of Babylon were yearning for a system of law that was fair, impartial, and enforceable. Hammurabi, a man of vision and wisdom, was determined to provide them with just that. In the heat of the Babylonian summer, Hammurabi ascended the steps of the ziggurat, the sacred temple of Marduk, the city's patron deity. He stood before the statue of Marduk, his heart heavy with the weight of expectation. In his hands, Hammurabi held a stylus, a tool of the scribe. With it, he was about to etch into history the first comprehensive code of laws, a beacon of justice that would guide his people for millennia to come. The stylus moved swiftly, carving the laws onto a diorite steel. The Code of Hammurabi, as it came to be known, was a testament to the king's wisdom and his commitment to justice. It covered a wide range of subjects, from business transactions to family matters, and from criminal offenses to religious practices. The code was designed to be accessible, with the laws etched in both Akkadian and Sumerian, the two dominant languages of the time. It was also designed to be impartial, with the same laws applying to both the rich and the poor, the powerful and the weak. The code was not without controversy. Some laws were seen as harsh, such as the one that mandated the death penalty for various offenses, including assault, theft, and adultery. However, these laws were also seen as a necessary deterrent in a world where lawlessness was rampant. The Code of Hammurabi was more than just a set of laws. It was a symbol of the Babylonian civilization's maturity, a testament to their understanding of the need for justice and the capacity to create a system that could deliver it. The code stood for over 800 years, influencing the legal systems of many civilizations that followed, including the Greeks and the Romans. It remains one of the most significant milestones in the history of law, a testament to Hammurabi's vision and the people of Babylon's yearning for justice. And so, on that hot summer day in Babylon, as the sun set over the ziggurat, Hammurabi's code was unveiled to the world. It was a new era of justice, an era that would shape the course of history.